Today I will go for a walk.
Mom, I'm going out for a trip.
All right, dear. Be safe and have fun. Be careful crossing the river, little one. Stay close to me.
Yes, Mama, I'll be careful.
Good. Watch your step.
We're walking hand in hand, singing our song. Under the trees, we can't go wrong. Step by step, our hearts are strong.
Look, a monkey.
Whoa, hey little guy.
He wants to join us. Here, have a sandwich.
Look, the pond is just ahead.
Wow, it's beautiful. Let's go.
Yeah, perfect spot for a break.
Whoa! Ah, flashing us.
Hey buddy, that's cold.
Yeah. Wow, look at that rainbow.
It's incredible.
The colors are so vibrant.
What a perfect day.
Look, something's up ahead. It's a fox. Hello there. Wow, he's so cool. Can we pet him?
Look, a small bridge up ahead.
Perfect. Let's cross it.
Careful, it looks a bit rickety.
We can make it.
This bridge looks weak, we have to be careful.
I'm so scared. It feels like it's going to collapse.
Stay calm, let's just get across. It's sturdy, come on.
Okay, I'm right behind you.
We made it. Good job, everyone.
That was fun.
Wow, look at bravery! Everyone's praising its bravery. Truly inspiring.
Wow, look at all these flowers.
It's incredible, so peaceful.
I could stay here forever.
Me too, it's perfect. This picnic was a great idea.
Right? These sandwiches are perfect.
Anyone want a drink?
Yes, please.
Here you go. This apple is delicious.
The banana is so sweet and juicy.
And these grapes are perfect.
My mother always said, I will carry her words with me.
All right, everyone, time for me to go. I'll miss you.
We'll miss you too. Stay in touch.
Take care, man. See ya.
We missed you.
Time for a hug.
I missed you too. Yay, group hug. Best friends.
Thank you, my friend. You're very welcome. Your kindness means so much.
You're home. Is everything okay?
Not really, I need to talk.
Of course, tell me everything.
Okay, it started when...
You are very brave.
I am so proud of you.